Hi, what's up? It's good to see you again. I'm Fat Papa. Just new to YouTube, or you're looking for what kind of program you can use to edit the video. Today I will tell you some free one and then the one who need to pay, what to do if you just begin on YouTube. Let us begin. You might already watch a lot of the video and a lot of people give you a different program and suggestion. And if you come to look at my video, that means you're still thinking about it. So I will tell you something the other YouTuber did not tell you. First, if you are beginner to do the YouTube and you just want to edit the video by like make it shorter or cut out some of the minute you didn't want it, and just add a little bit side effect in there, or maybe some word or some notice, those in the video, you can choose the free one. You don't really need to pay monthly or annually, or before you can still like purchase one program is a lifetime, and now most of them is like they need you to pay the annual fee. Each year you pay the fee. So if you're still not pretty sure what to do, and you just want to try to be a YouTuber, or you think you're interested about it, or you're not in really high volume video. Let's say each video is 10 minutes, like to 15 minutes, or even shorter, like 6 minutes, 7 minutes, and you only post probably once per week or twice per week. Free video editor program, they will be good for you. If that is the point, why a lot of people tell you to purchase the one who need to pay, and is that you then me using the free one? I can tell you the first 6 months, each week I have 2 videos. Each video I have 3 language versions. I need to make 6 videos each week consistently for 6 months, and I only use the free program. Until a month ago, I start to change it. The reason is the free one cannot give me what I want, because I already need to do some project. I need to be like 2-3 different cameras to put together, and some of them I may need to edit and skip some effect, or like from one screen transfer to another screen. Those are a little bit more work than just edit the video. That I need to go for something like more professional. If you just like try to edit, or you just learning, I will recommend the free one. It will be good enough for you. I will recommend that. Like a lot of them, they said they're free, but a lot of features you need to purchase it, like to get the premium version or the ultra version, like the next level. Then those is not really free. But if you want to try to use the free one, I will recommend you use the Shotcut. The Shotcut is the one I use. They absolutely free. You don't need to get the one who need to pay. You try it out first, and that one will be really good. Like you can edit the video to and then upload to YouTube without any problem, and then they support even 4K, and they do it. And after you're sure you want to keep going, or you increase your video volume, like, okay, before it's like once per week or twice per week, and now you need to take 3 or 4 videos per week, or even you need to, like me, you need to edit the video, or you already have the B-roll, you need to second camera or third camera, or you need to have some update, give the nice subtitle, those, then you can go for the paid one. But if you go for the paid one, I will recommend you just go for the Adobe. So let me tell you what's the difference. Shotcut, Shotcut is the one I used before. I normally make a video is from 10 to 12 minutes for one video. Editing part, they are much easier and to use than you use say Adobe or the other program, I would say. But the main problem is after you've done the video editing, you try to export it to be like MP4 or like to the format that you upload to YouTube. The wait time for 10 to 12 minutes, probably like the video for them is like for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Like you need to wait until like for them to export like from the edit file to be the payable video format for you to upload to YouTube. And if you use the Adobe one, that 5 minutes. I'm not kidding. I use both and I did not do anything different. I even using the same video. One put into the Adobe and then one put into the Shotcut. Result is one is less than 5 minutes, one is like 45-50 minutes. But one of them is I need to pay, one of them is free. That's why I say at the beginning you're still not pretty sure or you're still learning. What about try the free one? After that you change to the payable, the pay one, the more professional one. You can have like more editing. You can wait. At the beginning you just like you have a lot to learn. Instead of like paying each month for to learn, then why not just like use the free program to learn and then try it out, and if you like it, you're interested to keep uploading the video, then you can go for the payable one. The pay one and the Adobe besides they are faster, they also have already preset some of the effect, and then some of the font is more than the free program. Like it's already have a lot of the setup for you, so you can have more side effect, and then like from video change to video, or you see some people they have like the background have some special effect. Those Adobe can do it without any problem. Shotcut can do it, but not limited feature. If you want to have like the full feature, you need to pay for the Shotcut. But if you really trying to pay for editing video program, I would recommend just go for Adobe. The reason is that you almost pay the same price. But Adobe, if you get it, you get the Photoshop, you get the premium the video editing program, and also probably if you need to make a website later on or anything, they have the Dreamwave. And if you need to like read some PDF file, that is included in that price. Since one price is have everything already, you don't need to at the time like you do the thumbnail. Okay, like I need to find a program to edit the picture. Okay, later on you do okay, probably you do better, and then now you want to set up a website for introduce yourself, or your you have a course or product or anything later on after you get more popular, and then you need to find another program to do the website or design those everything else. Then but now everything is there, it's already have it in one package. You have all. Or you later you want to do some graphic, some cartoon, or use some icon logo in your video, that package has it too. You can learn from it step by step, and then like after that you decide you want to pay for the editing program or not. But at beginning I really recommend you try the free one. And the wait time at the beginning, if you have 1 or 2 videos, it won't take you so long. Like just wait and you just leave it there on the computer. You just go work something else, and then just wait time. But if you have more work later on, like 45 minutes and 5 minutes, probably I will go for 5 minutes. But at the beginning, you really don't need to do. For myself, another reason I do it is because some of the tools in Adobe I will use for my company is good too. So okay, so it's one package I can do different things. Personal, I can edit the video thing, and then for company probably I can the product I can use the Photoshop to edit it, be more best quality to show my product on the website. Then some people may think about, okay, so editing program is a beginning. For my channel, my topic, I need really good quality of the video. I need to put a lot of side effects. When you see some of the popular YouTubers, they may have all those already, or you may already design how your channel, your video, all those side effects. Yeah, if you don't know the basic, it's really hard to go to that many features. It will take you really long time. At the beginning, probably the first few videos just do the basic, and then you add more and more to it. Except you already know a lot on editing the video, then you don't really need to see my video, right? So now you watch my video because you are beginner, or you want to learn more, and then you really try go in this field, take some video and then edit it and make it well, and then show other people. Use the free one to work on it. And then you might ask me where I can learn how to edit. I will tell you, you just search Shotcut, and a lot of the good professional YouTubers, they have reviewed how to use it. They can tell you how from install the program until you finish basic editing a video, how to do it. They give you really detailed. You can learn from that, and then you try out few of your video first. Then you start to add more, and then search for more other side effect or more feature that you can use on those. When you think you learn a lot, and then it's not enough for you, then you can look for the program, the paid program that is fit you. Probably Shotcut is good for you already, because you don't really need to edit a photo, or you don't need to do any other program that Adobe gave you. Then you don't need to go for Adobe. You just go for the Shotcut, or go for the other program. That's a lot the program you can use, and it's not only these two. But if you ask me, my personal recommendation, free one, I will go for Shotcut, because they really the free one. And then if you go for the pay, the one who need to pay, then I will just tell you go for Adobe. And of course, if you have the MacBook, then you have other program to choose. Adobe may not be the best for MacBook, and then iMac, those they have their program that is okay too. But I'm using the PC, the regular laptop. I will say Adobe is the one really stable, and also they are fast for me. Also, they have a requirement on your computer. You cannot be really slow over 10 years old computer. Probably it won't be fast enough. But if you have a computer like mine, 4-5 years, still no problem. My computer works really well. i5, i7, or I don't think i3 will be good if you want to edit the video. But if your laptop or desktop is i5 or i7, I think it's not a problem to use Adobe. Next time I will tell you what kind of the equipment you need for a beginner. You need a camera. What kind of camera is that expensive? The good decent one, or you use the phone, and then what else you need besides to take a picture? Is that only you need a phone is enough, or what else you will need? I hope to see you next week. If you like my video, give me a like, subscribe my channel, and follow my Instagram and Facebook. and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. Also, if you have questions, leave a comment so I know I will tell you what I think, and then what I know, I will read all the comments. So leave the comment, let me know how you think about it. I hope to see you next week. Bye bye.